welcome back to my channel Future Generation in Mathematics. Today my topic is matrices and linear system of equation. Before going that, first we'll see the matrices. A matrices is nothing but a rectangular array. It is very important. A rectangular array of m and real or complex numbers. Mn must be a real or complex numbers. M e rows and n columns. M rows, n columns is called m by n matrix. Here this is an matrix symbol. We'll denote it with matrix symbol like this or like this. Like this, three ways you can denote it. Here I will tell example, then you can understand what is a matrix. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a rectangular array. It is in the form of rectangle. This is also one matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also another matrix. This is one matrix. This is another matrix. It is in the form of rectangle shape, no? That's why we'll call it as a rectangular array of m and real or complex numbers. Here m rows and n columns. These are called rows. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? This is an one row column. This is an another column. How many columns? 2 columns. Here you can see m rows and n columns. Here m rows and n columns. Here how many rows? First we'll get rows. Afterwards you will get columns. Here also same. It is also in rectangular form. M and n are must be a positive. M and n must be a positive integer. It should not be a negative integer because rows and columns must be in positive. There is no negative integers, negative numbers. Here how many rows are there? First row. This is a first row. This is a second row. How many rows? 2 rows. Into how many columns? 2 by. We should not call it is an into. We'll call it as an by. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. How many columns are there? 3. 2 by 3. Here also we can call it as a 2 by 2. M by n columns. That is only elements. So how will be there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there, no? That are called elements. What we'll call it as a? These are all called elements. This is only matrix definition. A rectangular array of m and real or complex numbers, m rows and n columns is called m by n matrix. Here how we can denote it? First one A11. First element we'll call it as an A11. Here second element what we'll call it as an A12. Next third element we'll call it as an first row, no? A11. Next A12. It is a first row, no? That's why. First row, first column. A11. First row, second column. A12. A13. First row, third column. Like that. AI. A1. I. Next. A21. A22. A23. So on. A2I. So on. AJ1, AJ2, A J3, A Ji. How many rows are there? First row, second row, so on. J. Here J rows and I columns. How many columns are there? I columns. Otherwise you can write here J and here J also you can write. Here J means here you have to write I. Like that also you can write I. I3. Here just they will interchange the rows and columns. Here J, here I, J. How many rows are there? I rows and J columns. Here these are all called elements. These are called rows and these are called columns. I think you have understood what is an matrix. Here in this example, how many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. Means it is in the form of m by n. M rows and n columns. This is called order of a matrix. M by n is called order of matrix. How many rows? M rows is there and n columns is called. That is called order of a matrix. What is the order of matrix of this? 2 by 3. What is the order of matrix? Here how many rows is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns are there? 4. What is the order of matrix? 3 by 4. What is the order of matrix? 3 by 4. I think you have understood what is a matrix and what is an order of matrix. Thank you.